Welcome to Networks Professionals.
Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're trying to navigate the rapid, honestly kind of noisy evolution of the AI landscape right now, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're cutting through all that hype to chart your specific AI career path. We're going to break down the exact skills and roles you need to understand right this second to position yourself for success. Let's just get right to it.
The global AI job market isn't just growing, right? It is literally booming worldwide, completely driven by these rapid tech advancements we're seeing every day. We aren't just talking about a temporary trend here. We are smack in the middle of a modern-day gold rush. Across the globe, industries are scrambling, absolutely scrambling, for talent to integrate artificial intelligence into their daily operations. But just like any gold rush, you can't just show up without a strategy and the right tools. So we're going to establish that game plan for you today so you don't lose any momentum in capturing this huge opportunity.
All right, Section 1, Essential AI Career Skills, the building blocks. Okay, let's dive into this. To really enter this space, you need 4 core pillars to build upon. Think of a real-world AI application, okay? Machine learning gives you the mechanics to build the actual engine. Prompt engineering, well, that's your steering wheel, giving you the interface to control it effectively. Data analytics provides the raw fuel and actionable insight. And AI ethics, that provides the absolutely crucial guardrails. Mastering these 4 foundational skills directly prepares you to secure those high-demand roles as this whole industry evolves.
Moving right along to Section 2, Top 5 AI Roles, In-Demand Career Paths. First up is what we call the builder persona, AI and machine learning engineers. These are the brilliant folks who build and optimize the algorithms that actually allow machines to learn. Imagine being the architect who trains a neural network to recognize complex, hidden patterns in like a matter of milliseconds. It's wild. So if you're fascinated by the underlying mechanics and you want to construct these systems from the ground up to be smarter and faster, this is absolutely your path. Next up, we have the communicator persona, prompt engineers. This role is in such high demand right now because it's all about how we actually talk to the machines to maximize the output and efficiency of generative models. Think about the difference between asking an AI to simply, write a marketing email versus prompting it to write a 200-word conversion-focused email in the voice of a casual tech founder. That precision? It saves companies thousands of hours and massive amounts of money, and it requires a really unique blend of creativity and logic. Now, what's really interesting here is the conscience persona, AI ethicists and auditors. Because as algorithms grow more powerful, the potential for unintended consequences just skyrockets. These professionals are the critical safeguard. They ensure AI systems are developed and deployed fairly, transparently, and without bias. In this role, you're tasked with bridging the gap between cutting-edge technology and human values, really making sure these tools don't just operate in some black box that no one can decipher. Our 4th role is the analyst persona. Data scientists. Data scientists analyze complex data sets to train AI models and drive strategic business decisions. Essentially, you're the detective, extracting those needle-in-a-haystack insights from petabytes of pure chaos. You find the hidden patterns, clean the information up, and feed it into the AI so the business can make incredibly smart, predictive choices about their future. It's a real game changer. And finally, we have the leader persona, AI product managers. They oversee the entire development and lifecycle of AI-driven software and tools. While the engineers build and the scientists analyze, you're the one keeping the big picture in focus. If you have a natural knack for bridging, say, geek speak with business speak, this is for sure your sweet spot. You ensure that the brilliant AI tools being created actually solve real-world problems and successfully reach the market. All right, bringing it all together in Section 3, charting your path. Where do you fit in? It really comes down to this. You're at a career crossroads right now. Are you looking to get your hands dirty, learning to code, building models, and handling the deep technical development? Or are you aiming to leverage AI for business strategy, managing the implementation of these tools to drive operational efficiency without necessarily writing the code yourself? Recognizing which side of this divide you naturally lean toward is the absolute critical first step in focusing your learning journey. Let's just pause for a second and reflect on where your personal journey begins. What is your current background or industry? You really don't have to start from scratch to enter the AI field. In fact, actually, scratch that. Your prior domain experience is your absolute greatest superpower here. Think about it. A healthcare worker who understands AI is far more valuable to a hospital than a pure AI engineer who knows absolutely nothing about healthcare.
The industry desperately needs people who know how to apply these new technologies to their existing fields.
To truly map out your next steps, you need to gauge your technical appetite. Do you prefer beginner-friendly concepts or advanced technical topics? Be honest with yourself. There's literally no wrong answer here. Knowing your background, whether you want to code or strategize, and your current technical comfort level will directly pinpoint the best certification pathways for your unique goals. The AI gold rush is happening right now, but the map you use to navigate it, well, that has to be drawn by you. So what does this all mean? It means the opportunity is yours for the taking. Which path are you going to choose today to secure your place in tomorrow's economy? Thanks for joining me in this explainer.
Thanks for watching.